Welcome to Taste Buds. During winter, especially in lunch and dinner, nothing is better than hot sizzlers like this. They are pleasant for both our mouth as well as for our eyes, right? So today's recipe is prawn sizzler. So let's see how to make prawn sizzler. Make herb rice, first we'll have to add 4 butter cubes to the pan, and once the butter gets melted, then we'll have to add 2 tablespoons chopped garlic, 4 chopped green chilies and some coriander leaves, and then saute it for a minute. After that, we'll have to add some boiled rice and mix it well to form the herb rice. The link of my herb rice video is given in the description box. You can also refer to that. After our herb rice gets ready, it's time to prepare the boiled vegetables. To prepare the boiled vegetables, first boil some water in a pan along with some salt, and then you can take vegetables of your choice. Here I have taken mushrooms, some cauliflower, some green beans, some carrots, some baby corn and some broccoli. And now once the water gets heated very well, you will have to add the vegetables to the boiling water and then boil it for about 2 to 5 minutes. The most enchanting thing about sizzler is because of the colors due to these vegetables, and winter is an ideal time for wide variety of vegetables. Which vegetables do you like on your sizzler? Do mention me in the comment box. After these vegetables have become boiled, then take it out on a plate. See, our boiled vegetables are ready. Now it's time to prepare the prawns. For here I have taken some butter garlic prawns, for which I will have to take 3 large size prawns and add some salt to it. Then we'll squeeze some lime juice on the prawns. After this, we'll have to add some ginger garlic paste and some onion paste. Then we'll have to rub the paste very well in the prawns and then marinate it for about 15 minutes. Here I will make butter garlic prawns. You can make any prawn preparation of your choice. Now in a heated pan, add 6 to 8 butter cubes and then melt it well. After it gets melted, add 2 tablespoons chopped garlic. Then saute it for about a minute. Then add some chili flakes. Then add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and 2 tablespoons of onion paste. Then mix everything well and saute for a minute. After this, add the prawns one by one along with their marinade. Then mix the prawns very well in the gravy. After it has got mixed well and start releasing some oil from the spices, then add some water to the prawns to make a slight gravy, and then we'll have to close the lid to cook it for 5 minutes. This will absorb the water and a thick viscous gravy will form. Now our butter garlic prawns are ready. Now it's time to prepare the sizzler. To prepare the sizzler, first heat the sizzler plate on a pan. You can also use a tawa if you don't have a sizzler plate, and then place it on the wooden case like this. Now we'll have to layer the plate with some cabbage leaves. This will prevent the sizzler from getting burnt. Now add a portion of herb rice to it. Add a prawn with some gravy. After this, add the boiled vegetables. Here I have arranged my sizzler plate like this. You can arrange according to your choice. After arranging the plate, we'll have to again heat the sizzler plate on the pan. Then add some butter cubes on its side. After this, you can switch off the light to see the magic. See how the flames are coming up? And now, when we add some white wine to it, the most enchanting part of the sizzler comes, the flames. This is so pleasant to watch and so tasty. So our prawn sizzler is absolutely ready. You can make it for your friends and family this winter and tell me in the comment box how you loved about this recipe. If you like this recipe, then don't forget to give us a like, share with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.